dangerous conditions exist. Oh God, I'm excited. This is what we're looking for. Let's rock and roll. Babe, come down here. Look at this. This is awesome. Babe, right here. So it's like you're climbing a ladder. You want to come down like this, not facing forward, okay? Because then, or you're seeing it all, and you just grab here and here and work your way down, okay? I'll guide your feet. Okay, come on now. Yep, put your feet there. Put your foot right here. There you go.